The reason that the project was started was because key stakeholders identified that there was a gap in a provision in terms of identifying the crisis around looked after children and care provisions for children in the local authority. We deliver a wide range of interventions right from pre-birth to adolescence. So we have a pre-birth service, a rapid response service, therapeutic service. And it's just gone from strength to strength, and all of those services aim to safely reduce the number of children looked after in Newport.
I've benefited from having 100% support whenever I've needed somebody to confide in, even talk about, some kind of problems and challenges that I've gone through since having the children. Natalie's always at the end of the phone offering me advice, explaining to me why the children can be doing these things and what could be triggering and how can I help and different techniques, and she's been fab. They really helped me through a time where I just felt alone, but I needed to be 100% for the children, so I needed that 100% for me, and I got it. I couldn't have done it without them. And they bend over backwards and will do anything just to make sure that the children and you are okay. They're fab. Couldn't ask for a better team.